picture this moment at night. Two hearts glowing in soft golden light. Whispers of hope we held for so long. Now here we stand where we both belong. Every promise, every tear led us gently to this year. All the waiting, all the prayers, now we're finally standing here. Our dream wedding finally came true. A forever life starts with I do. Hand in hand, just me and you. A love so pure, a love so true. All we dreamed is happening now. With grateful hearts we take this vow. I see the future in your loving eyes. A peaceful home, a paradise. Every fear we left behind. Today our souls are